Yeah, so we're here in Tottenham, Haringey on a Wednesday evening, promoting Reparation Nation and the concept of reparations in Haringey, Tottenham, here on West Green Road. And we've got this display here. These are the police race and ethnicity codes. So IC1 stands for white Northern European, IC2 for dark Southern European, IC3 for black, IC4 for Asian, IC5 Chinese, IC6 mixed race or Arab, and IC7 not stated or unknown. It could be that they've reserved that for the AI. Maybe the walking robots will be walking around, and so they've got a code for robots. Yeah, so that's the display, doing the display, trying to raise awareness of the race and ethnicity codes. The purpose being that we can use the race and ethnicity codes to organize, unite the people classified as black, which is Caribbean, African, and other, to unite those people together in terms for reparations. Yep, so that's the reason.